In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the company type in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for ensuring that your financial records align accurately with your current business structure. So let's dive right in. If you haven't already created a QuickBooks account, you can do so on their website by clicking the Sign Up button. This will guide you through the process of setting up your account. For this tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account, so let's go ahead and sign in. First, navigate to the QuickBooks Online Sign In page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you complete any CAPTCHA or security verifications like clicking I'm not a robot. Once all your details are in, go ahead and click on the Continue button to move forward. Enter your password when prompted and hit Continue once more. After successfully logging in, you'll need to choose the company file you want to work with. If you manage multiple companies through QuickBooks, make sure to select the correct one. Now let's go to the home dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main page, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you can access and edit your company information, including the company type. Within the Account and Settings page, look for the section labeled Company Type, or it might be referred to as Business Type. Depending on your subscription or region, you could see it as tax form or industry. There should be a pencil icon next to it. Click on this to edit. A drop-down menu will appear with various company type options like sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, nonprofit, and more. It's important to select the option that best fits your current business structure, as this can affect how QuickBooks handles your company's accounting. Once you've selected the appropriate company type, click Save to confirm your changes. Remember, saving these changes ensures your financial data remains accurate and compliant with any relevant business regulations. Finally, hit the Done button to exit the settings menu. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your company type in QuickBooks Online. It's important to periodically review your company settings to ensure everything is up to date, especially if there are significant changes in how your business operates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.